Now that the iPhone 15 launch is almost here and the Apple event is set for September 12, you might be wondering if now is a good time to buy the iPhone 14. After all, there's plenty of iPhone sales going on right now, and you know that retailers and carriers will be looking to clear out inventory ahead of the launch of the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro. I'm here to tell you that's a terrible idea, and that's for a few key reasons as we wait for the rumored iPhone 15 release date of September 22. First, you might want to wait for what the iPhone 15 has to offer, and especially the 15 Pro. If you're on a tighter budget, the regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are both tipped to offer a number of key upgrades. For starters, the iPhone 15 should get the same or similar 48 megapixels main camera sensor found on the iPhone 14 Pro series from last year. So you should expect sharper and brighter images from the iPhone 15's iPhone 14. It gets better. The iPhone 15 should also lose the notch and feature the same dynamic island as the 14 Pro models, which means you'll be able to get live updates like sports scores, your Uber Right status, and more right at the top of your display without having to dive into an app. Another plus is that the iPhone 15 will likely get the powerful A16 Bionic chip from the 14 Pro and Pro Max. It won't be the most powerful processor around, but it should still beat most of the best Android phones. Last but not least, the iPhone 15 series is tipped to offer USB-C connectivity, which will replace the lame and unreliable Lightning connector. Add in rumored larger batteries for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, and there's plenty of reasons not to buy an iPhone 14 right now. Now, if you are leaning toward the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max for your next iPhone, stop what you're doing right now. Because the new 15 Pro lineup promised some of the biggest upgrades I've seen from one generation to the next. In terms of design, the 15 Pro and Pro Max are both expected to ditch the stainless steel sides for titanium. Titanium is stronger and lighter, and we've seen the leaked 15 Pro weights that appear to back this up. Another very welcome design change could be the addition of a new action button for the 15 Pro. This will reportedly replace the ringer or mute switch and do much more than mute sounds. You'll apparently be able to launch the camera, turn on the flashlight, record voice memos, and perform all sorts of customizable shortcuts. If you're looking for maximum speed, the 15 Pro series should have you covered, as it's reportedly getting the A17 Bionic chip. This is supposed to be the world's first 3-in processor inside any device, which should result in top-notch performance and longer battery life. As for the cameras, the 15 Pro Max may offer an exclusive new periscope zoom that should boost the optical zoom from 3x to 6x or even more. In fact, Apple may decide to call the Pro Max the iPhone 15 Ultra, but that remains to be seen. Just be warned that the 15 Pro series is rumored for a price hike. Yes, it's easy to find iPhone 14 deals right now, especially as we're heading into Labor Day weekend. But I would still wait until after the iPhone 15 series is announced. Apple will likely drop the prices on the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus by $100, so you will save even more if you hold out just a little bit longer. The 14 Pro and Pro Max should both be officially discontinued, but you'll still be able to find both models on sale through carriers and retailers for months to come. And as the iPhone 15 release date approaches, I expect the discounts to get even bigger. Also keep in mind that another Prime Day is on the way in October, so we could see even larger sales as we get closer to holiday shopping and Black Friday deals. For now, keep it locked to our channel for more Apple updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.